Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io file corrupted error issues in 2026. So if your diagram won't open, shows a corruption message, or loads with missing content, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make a backup copy of the file before making any changes. This ensures you always have the original version available if recovery attempts fail. Next, try opening the file in Draw.io again after refreshing the application. Sometimes temporary loading issues can trigger false corruption errors. Now check if the file was fully downloaded or transferred correctly. Incomplete downloads are a common reason diagrams appear corrupted. Next, try opening an older version of the file if you have one available. This can help determine whether the issue is with the latest save. Now check your cloud storage version history if the file is stored in Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. You may be able to restore a previous working version. Next, open the file in a different browser or on another device. This helps rule out local software or browser-related problems. Now update Draw.io to the latest version. Newer versions may include fixes for compatibility and file handling issues. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with file loading and create unexpected errors. Now restart your browser or computer and try opening the file again from its original location. Finally, if recovery is not possible, use any available backup or exported copy to restore your diagram. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io file corrupted error issues. Now your diagram should open correctly or be recoverable from a previous version. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.